Yeah, I'll be working with a pair of black and a pair of white, size 12. We'll be starting with white. You make your knot, then you work 14 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6. So you work 14 chains. After working 14 chains, you skip the first stitch, crochet on the next. So we're going to make 5 rows of single crochet with this white twine. At the end you make 1 chain, then you turn. So you work 5 rows of this. On the 5th row we are going to add our black. So on the last stitch of the 5th row, you yarn over, you pass your crochet hook, yarn over. Don't complete the single crochet. So we're going to fix our black here. You fold it, you see, then you finish up the single crochet with the black, you see, then drop the white, then you make your chain. You can see how I make my chain. Yes, then you turn. So once you turn, you continue with the black, single crochet, so you continue working with your black. You work 5 rows of black. So you crochet to the end. So at the end you make 1 chain and turn. You work 5 rows of black. So at the end of 5th round you add your white. So you continue working with that. You work 7 of black and 7 of white. As you make 5 rows of white 7 times, then 5 rows of black 7 times. You can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the same thing with black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. So we're going to work the front design. You make your knot. Just make a loose knot. Yes, then you make a loose chain. Then you make another tight chain. So we're going to separate the twine into 2 equal parts. So you separate it to have a knot. That's it. Then you make single crochet, single crochet. Can you see it? The same stitch, single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Can you see it? So on the next side you make 6 single crochet, 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So after that you make a slip knot from the first stitch. Can you see it? So after making your slip knot, you drag the twine, then make another loose chain, then make another tight chain and separate the twine into 2 equal parts. I see it. Then make 7 single crochet this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then this side we make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Can you see it? Then you slip knit from the first stitch. Can you see it? Then you make another one. So continue working with that till you work 9 steps of this. 9 steps. Yeah, you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So to finish up, you slip knit from the first stitch. So for us to finish up from the first stitch, we are going to use black to make our slip knot. So you make your slip knot with black. Yeah. Then you drop the white. You make a chain. Then you turn. So once you turn, you continue working single crochet. So we are going to work single crochet round these chains. You make single crochet round these chains. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. So after working 6 single crochet on this, on the next chain you make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's it. Then on the next chain you make 6 single crochet on the next 6th stitch. 1, 2, 3. So continue working with as you go round the chain. Yeah, you can see it. So this is the longer one. I made 2 of them separate, so I joined it together here. So I traced this one. We have 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but this one we have 9 chains on this. So after making the 2, I joined 2 of them together to have this. So when joining it together, you're going to make it a little bit slant, so you can be able to fix it where it's supposed to be fixed. Yeah, this one is for the right leg, then this one is for the left leg. You can see the slanting like this, then this one like this. Yeah, this is the type of sole I'll be using. So I've already cut it. So this one is Nora, then this one is Marco, then the down sole is also Nora. So these are the stack heels. Yeah, this is for the right leg, so I'll be fixing it. This one here, then this one will be here. Yeah, you can see it. So we're going to fix the back one here, then this one. Yeah, you can see it. So you can use your leg or your lats to make some adjustment. So I use my leg to make some adjustments. I'm wearing size 40, so if I want to make size 41, I will push my leg a little bit front, or 42 a little bit front. But if I want to make 39, 38, I will push it back to get the exact measurement, or you use your lats. So the next thing now is to apply my adhesive and gum together. So once you apply your adhesive, you wait for 15 to 30 minutes, then you gum together. Yeah, you can see it. So the next thing now is to do the finishing round this one. Yeah, I'm done. You can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.